Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video I'm going to show you on how to add custom font in CorelDraw 2024. So let's see. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is open up your browser. Then the next thing you need to do is to come to the address bar right here. What you need to do is to simply type in that font and then press enter key on your keyboard, and it takes you to official Google search page. Next thing you need to do is to click on the first result right here. Just like so, it takes you to the official webpage of thatfont.com. Then you can scroll down and see different types of fonts that you can simply download right here. Alternatively, you can come to the top right here and check on different fonts by name right here. So if I click on Sheriff right here, and then you see available fonts in this category, you can scroll down. The more you scroll down, the more different types of fonts is going to load up. And you can simply scroll down to the last bottom right here and then click on here to move to the next paragraph. There are a lot of fonts right here. What you need to do is to choose the one you like and then go ahead and download it and use it in your Corel or what have you. So in this tutorial, I'm going to simply download this particular font right here, Recolleta. So for me to download the font, I have to come to the download right here, click on download, and in a few seconds, the download file is going to be prepared. What we need to do is to simply wait and exercise a little bit patient, allow it to load up. After a successful download the font, what we want to do is to exit from the web page and then locate our download file folder. So here we go. What I need to do is to simply come down below right here, click on my download folder. Then we have the folder right here. Next thing we want to do now is to simply bring out this particular zip file. And for me to do that, I have my font folder right here, which I'm going to select from desktop. And then I will head over to my font folder. So just like so, what I need to do is to drag this particular font file folder right here for one side. Then I'll come back to the font zip right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply drag from here and drag it to this particular file folder. Just like so. Next thing we want to do is to go back to the font zip right here. I'm going to simply right click on it, and then I'm going to select extract here. So all the information in the zip is going to be extracted. Then we have the font right here, as you can see. Next thing we want to do is to simply double click on the font, and this is going to pump up. You can simply check on the preview of the font, just like so. Once you're satisfied with the font, next thing you need to do is to simply click on install. And in a few seconds, the font is going to install on your PC. Now let's see how we can use this particular font in CorelDraw 20. So next thing we want to do is to simply head over to my window environment. Then I have to go to my Corel right here. So I will double click on it and then allow it to load up. All right, so after a successful open up the Corel, next thing I'm going to do is to press Ctrl+N and to open a new document. So I'm going to just come to the top right here and enter a title, font testing. Then I will simply leave it in the page size just like so, and then I'm going to change the orientation and I'll hit on OK right here. So we have it right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply go to my type tool right here. I will simply click on my type tool. Then I'll come to the workspace right here to make it type. Then I'm going to type in the name of my school, Okay. So next thing I'm going to do is to press Ctrl+A to highlight. And I have to come to the top right here under the font section. Then I have to look for the name of the font. So lest I forget, the name of the font here is Recolleta. So we have to simply come to the top right here and look for Recolleta. Just like so. We have the font right here. I'm going to simply select it. Then I can come here and increase the font size. This depends on how I want the font to be big. I can go out and all to make it like this. Then it's as simple as that. So we have the font right here and we can change the color. We can do anything with the font. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to download, install font in CorelDraw 2024. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.